The mold journey is a hard journey, and it does not get better right away. I would say it took me months, took me all the way to February from getting out of mold in November to feel better. And that's because mold, what it does is it creates that total systemic response. So not only does it depress and suppress your immune system, but it also suppresses your hormones from, your estrogen levels, your testosterone levels, your thyroid, can cause nutrition deficiencies, can cause digestion issues. So you're not properly digesting and absorbing your nutrients, which then becomes a vicious cycle. So there's a lot of things you have to fix. So for me, I had to get out of the mold first and foremost. That was the first step. And then I had to make sure that I was healing my gut. So boosting my immune system. After that, and this is where a lot of people, they get discouraged because they're like, okay, I went through all this and I'm not feeling better. What's up? Well, guess what? That detoxification protocol from coming out of that mold is very hard on your adrenals. So then I had to go down the route of fixing my adrenals. And then once I did that, everything was a game changer.